When it comes to glass repair and installation, Virginia businesses and homeowners know to turn to Nova Glass and Shower Door. Our team specializes in glass removal, repair, and installation. Whether you're looking to fix a broken window, replace the glass in your entrance, or want to install a frameless shower, we're the ones that can get it done quickly and professionally. Our team can even work with realtors to help prepare a home for the market. Give the Nova Glass team a call today, and we'll give your home or office the perfect view with crisp, clean new window glass.